Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, let's crochet this divine Vishnuchakram Rakhi, which is a symbol of protection and eternal bond. This is a super easy pattern, so let's dive right in. All you need is some weight 3 cotton yarn. You can also use weight 3 acrylic yarn. So here, this one was made using cotton yarn and this one was made using acrylic yarn. So whichever is available, you can use it. With that, I'm using 2.5mm crochet hook, some pearls and beads like this. This is just to add here. A tapestry needle, a small hook like this. This is just to insert pearls and beads inside this yarn. A small amount of glue, and don't forget to keep a scissor handy. We will start by making a slip knot. To make a slip knot, hold your yarn like this. Then take this end and twist it once. And then fold it. Now you can see this is the tail and this is the working yarn. So slowly pull the working yarn outside. After making a slip knot, make 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After making 8 chains, insert your hook inside the very first chain we made. Yarn over and make a slip stitch. So this creates a tiny circle like this. Now inside this circle we will work. So before that, make 1 chain and now we will make 18 half double crochets inside this circle. So to make a half double crochet, yarn over once, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops at once. So this completes 1 half double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3. So I just made 2 half double crochets. Similarly, make 16 more half double crochets, totally 18 including these 2, and then I'll show you what to do. So you can see I made 18 half double crochets, and now so this is the first half double crochet we made. On top you can see this chain. So insert your hook inside that chain, yarn over, pull up a loop and make a slip stitch. So this completes the center part, and now we will work this. So for that, make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. After making 4 chains, insert your hook into the second chain. So this is the first chain and this is the second chain. So insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Keep the loop as it is. Again, insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Keep the loop as it is. Again, into the next chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we have 4 loops, and now this is where I made slip stitch. So into the next chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we have 5 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 5 loops at once. So after that, into the next chain, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. And now we will again make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. After making 4 chains, as usual, insert your hook into the second chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Again into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we have 4 loops, and the 5th loop we will get by inserting our hook in the next chain here. Yarn over, pull up a loop. So now we have 5 loops on the hook. So yarn over and pull through all the 5 at once. And then insert your hook in the next chain gap, yarn over and make a slip stitch. Every petal starts with 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then skip this very first chain. Into the second chain, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop. Again into the next chain, pull up a loop. Into the next chain, pull up a loop. Now we have 4 loops. The 5th loop we will get by inserting our hook in the next chain here. So we now have 5 loops. Yarn over and pull through all the 5. Insert your hook in the next chain gap here. Yarn over and make a slip stitch. Repeat the same around, and when you come to the end, I'll show you how to complete. So you can see I repeated the same around, and I just need to make the last petal here. Make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after that, we will insert our hook where we started at the beginning. Yarn over and make a slip stitch. And then make 1 chain, leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. Slowly pull the yarn. We will trim the tail of the magic ring. We will now weave this tail. So take a tapestry needle, insert your yarn and just pass your yarn through adjacent loops. And just trim the excess yarn. So you can see this completes the Rakhi. Now we will make this tie. For that, take 2 strands of yarn. This length is completely up to you. You can keep it short or lengthier. And now we will add this pearls and beads. Take a small hook. Arrange your pearls and beads however you want. And then insert one by one. We will now insert this Rakhi. So take a tapestry needle, insert your yarn, insert your hook in one of the loop and in the exact opposite loop. Just make sure the Rakhi is at the middle. And now after inserting this bead, make a knot here so that the bead stays in its place. So similarly, add pearls and beads this side. I added pearls and beads on both sides and made a knot. If you want, you can also add tassels here, simple quick tassels. So I have many videos in my playlist. I'll leave one in the iCard above here. You can go and check. And now we will add this here. So add a tiny amount of glue. Place this on top. So this completes the Rakhi. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.